Alright, so we got a new product then. Before I let you know what's in here, I'll give you a hint. I've been shopping for a multi-tool for a minute. And I found this really dope multi-tool. Very cheap, very affordable. And the cool thing about it is that you can actually customize it and build your own multi-tool. They sell a bunch of different like add-ons, like different types of knives, bit sets, anything you want, and you can buy it and you can literally just take something off and put something on and customize your multi-tool how you want. And the multi-tools, I mean, they go from like 20 something bucks to like 40, 50 bucks. I mean, super cheap. So it's this company, Roxon, and they sent me out these. I didn't pay for it. I got lucky, but I just figured maybe I'll open these up with you guys if you wanted to experience this unboxing and see what comes in it. So this is actually pretty solid. It actually comes with a case. Oh, this one's a lot lighter. But they make small ones, like I'm talking about like this size, like very small multi-tools, bigger ones. I mean, they have a lot of different stuff. Wow, I really like these cases, I'm not gonna lie. So let's check this out. First time I've ever opened this up. I mean, they feel pretty solid for the price. I mean, I don't think you could beat it. What is, oh, little flame stick. Okay, it's actually a pretty sharp straight out the box. And does it lock in? Yes. And then to unlock it, okay, just like a regular. And I didn't get to customize this. They just got a little screwdriver. They sent me out whatever they wanted. Like I said, I didn't pay for this. Okay, there's a button here on the side. And then, okay, sweet. What else we got over here? A little, whatever that is. All right, I mean, it seems pretty solid for like the price. Like, I wouldn't complain at all. Ooh. All right, cool, cool. Let's see what the other one's got to offer. I think this one was like 20 something bucks, and you can't beat it for that price. It's a glass breaker. Okay. Might as well just keep this off of it. What is this? Oh, damn. This one feels a lot more like sturdy. Got a ruler. Anyways, if you guys are interested in a multi-tool, go check out their website. Oh, this has got a big saw on there. Okay, okay. What else we got? Got the wine opener. Is that a nail file? Some type of file over there. How does this go back in? Oh, God, it's got a lot on this side. Oh, this blade is pretty dope. Not as sharp as the other one, but it's not dull either. Let's see. Okay, can opener. What is that, like a seatbelt cutter? Or like a rope cutter? So why can't I get this one open? Jesus. Well, I can't even get that one open. And then the rest, I still can't get open. Okay, an actual screwdriver on that side. I guess some of these you can't open. But anyway, so you can take these out. And then they have little spacers in which you can like add your own stuff. So this is like completely customizable. And that's pretty dope. Is there anything? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's dope. So they got different bits. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I'm trying to, like, see if there's more. So I just can't open it. Like, I feel like I'm gonna rip my damn fingertips off. The heck is it? Oh shit! You tell me we got some scissors up in this thing? Okay. Oh, they work. They work. You know what? We should do a little knife test on that too. Damn. Okay, so that was the back end of it. Alright, and then this, I'm assuming, let's see. And I like how this all fits in there. It's got like this little case for it. Jesus, this is on there. Come on. I mean, I guess that's a good thing. It's not just going to start falling out on you. Oh, and then you can put these bits. And you can probably use whatever bits that you actually want and just put yours that you have in here. This will come very handy for my little hollow suns at the range. That is pretty dope. I wish this was like magnetic. It does have a little magnet in there, but that's probably to hold this part in. And I'm assuming I'm doing it right, and this goes in here. Because, oh, it is magnet. So I guess it's not going to fall down, but it doesn't like lock in there. But I mean, like, dude, for the price. Oh, and this, that's nice. Okay. Yeah, for the price, I cannot complain at all. Very solid. Check them out. This is the name of the company, Roxon. They got an Instagram. Go give them a follow. Their website definitely shows off everything in a lot more detail. But if you're looking for a multi-tool, you're not trying to break the bank, definitely give them a look and a consideration, because I'll tell you one thing, having this is heavy. This one is a lot lighter, and it seems like it's plastic. This one is straight metal. This one's about 40 something bucks, 47 bucks, but definitely worth it. And when you order them on the website, you can customize it however you want. So that's pretty dope too. Anyways, appreciate it. Later.